This is a pileated woodpecker at the suet feeder on May 16th, 2026. I saw it another day and it came back. Maybe it's nesting somewhere in the area, but it's unusual to see one come to a residential area. But my yard is on the wild side and there's tall trees. And just look at the size of that fella. It's a male. Beautiful. My name is Carol. I live 8 miles south of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, in Zone 7A. I wish that branch wasn't there, but I can't take a chance on moving anywhere because I'm afraid he would leave. I'm inside the house, so you can't hear the way he's calling or making noise. He likes that suet. I never thought I'd see a woodpecker, a pileated woodpecker, in my yard, and was so surprised to see it yesterday. Thanks for watching. That is one magnificent bird. And look how he uses his tail. I'm going to try to take some pictures of him.